Hi, my name is Rhonda Vanderwood. I'm the street cleansing operative for Chorleywood. I have been doing this job since January 2020 and absolutely love it. It's important to me to make things look good, so this is an ideal job for me. I used to be in a corporate position for a well-known international hotel company. I was their Director of Network Communications and Data Security. From there I went to help somebody start their own business, and long story short, ended up here when the person who was doing this retired. It's a great job. I am outdoors, I get to meet very interesting people, I get to meet wonderful dogs and a few cats, and just thoroughly enjoy the communication I have with the residents here. I do make a difference. You can tell that I have been here. When I go away on holiday and I come back, you can certainly see that there hasn't been somebody here full time. I mean, I have a great support team with the guys in the waste department. They will, pick up for me when I'm not here, but they've got their own job to do. So it's nice to come back and make it nice and clean again.